Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your GoCard. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in gocard.translink.com.au and press enter. You will now be taken into the official GoCard website. Now you can either buy or register your card within this screen as well. But if you wish to cancel your card, then you will first need to log in to your GoCard. Just enter your GoCard account information followed by your account password and click on the login button. Once you log in, you will find the cancel subscription option within your settings, which you can click on to proceed with canceling your subscription. If you don't find this option or if you are unable to access your account, then from this homepage, click on Contact Us and Help at the top right corner. You will now see the feedback form option. Click on this and you will be guided through the process by which you can choose your concern and proceed through the next steps. After proceeding forward, choose the closest relevant area and click on the next button as well. Now, once you are allowed to share your feedback, just type in it that you wish to cancel your subscription for TransLink and you require instructions in order to do this. After typing this in, you can click on the next button and also make sure to provide your account username. But be careful not to mention any of your account credentials that you use while logging in. After you send your response, you will just need to wait for a few days, after which you will receive a response from the support team within your contact information that you have provided. You can then simply follow these instructions and then proceed forward to cancel your subscription on your GoCard. And there you have it. That is how you can go about in order to cancel your subscription on GoCard. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.